You can also nest loop inside loops. So now I'm nesting another loop where I specify another variable, and I can't use I here because I is already taken here. So I'll use j, also set this to equal, and run this only 2 times. So as long, oops, this should be j though, as long as j is smaller than 2. And then I will increment this as well. Now I want to print I times j. What do you think we'll now see if I hit run? Well, we got quite a lot of values. We got 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. So what's happening here? Well, this code here is executed in each round of this outer loop. So the first time we get into here, I is 0 and j is 0. And therefore we have I times j, 0 times 0, we get 0. Now, before we go to the next loop round of this outer loop, well, we still got 2 rounds to go inside here. So we increase j by 1. And we do the same thing again. Multiply 0 times 1, we still get 0. Then we increase it one more time, we got 2. And therefore we quit out of this loop since now j is 2 and no longer smaller than 2. So we now continue with the next round of this outer loop, and I is incremented, and therefore we have I being equal to 1. We go into our inner loop again, and j is set back to 0, so we have 1 times 0, and therefore we get 0. Now j is increased by 1, and we got 1 times 1, and therefore get 1, and so on. So the inner loop is executed upon each iteration of the outer loop, and before the inner loop isn't finished, the outer loop won't continue.